Boeing reaching a tentative deal which could end the strike after more than a month. Workers are set to vote on that strike, or I should say on that settlement, on Wednesday. It's the same day the company releases its third quarter results. And joining us right now for more on all this is Doug Harned. He's at Bernstein's aerospace and defense senior analyst. You look at this deal, you're looking at it from the perspective of investors. Is this a good deal? Up 35% across the board.
Well, look, I think what's important here, they've got to get this deal done. And I think this has been a real struggle. It's pretty much in line with what we were expecting on it. But I think you ultimately have to get it done. Kelly Ortberg's taken over. And we've sort of looked at this situation at Boeing as in three stages. First, getting the strike resolved, the capital raise cleared. Second, we need to see a plan on how he really sees taking the company forward and getting it fully recovered. And finally, they have to execute. And you can't get to the plan unless you get this strike situation resolved. So, in our view, this had to get done. If this goes through, and it seems reasonable to us that it would, the 35% increase is not going to really change the dynamics or the financials of the company tremendously. They've got to get the deal done.
So does it change the margins, though? No, not at all. It's got to.
Well, it will a little bit. So when you look at this, is all in Puget Sound. So it affects, it's the 737, it's 777, 767. And what it does do, you're looking at labor. Touch labor on an aircraft is on the order of 3 to 4%. So of total cost. So doing a raise like this over 4 years, yes, it will affect the margins, but I don't think it's going to be dramatic. And also, they are putting in place a cost reduction plan to reduce headcount overall by 10%. That will offset some of this, but I don't think it's a huge effect on margin.
Okay, Doug, we're looking at a stock that's, you can't see it, but on the screen next to you, this stock is down nearly 40% this year. It sits at about $160 right now. What do you think the fair value for this company is today?
Well, our target is 195, and that's a 12-month target. Now, the challenge they have is that you're looking at cash pressure here because they've got $45 billion in net debts. That's going to be coming out. They're going to have to pay that down over the next few years. So that means very little cash back to shareholders. But when we look at this on an EV to EBITDA basis long term, and we get to 195 price target. But I want to just stress that I think the short term is very interesting. And by short term, I mean the next 6 to 9 months. It gets more difficult when you see, can they really execute? And by execute, I mean get production rates up on the MAX first, get production rates up on the 787. That's going to be the key thing here.
Hey, Doug, you keep saying they have to get this done. The stock is up 3.25% on the idea that this vote is coming Wednesday. What happens if the union votes it down?
Well, that's, of course, that's always possible. I think I would view that negatively. I think, what they've proposed here, I think it fits right in with the modeling we've done. And at this stage, it would be an awfully long strike as well for the IAM if this went more than 6 weeks. So, I would say it's negative if they can't get it done.
Well, I figured that, but negative to the tune of how much in the stock?
Well, you're probably going right back where you were before today. I mean, we're looking at some significant upside today. But again, by not getting it done, that doesn't, it's a question of timing. Will this take 1 more week? That's probably not a big deal. Historically, we've found when you have a strike situation like this, and there have been 4 of them, IAM strikes, it takes about 2 to 3 months to get production back up to somewhat of a planned level. So, whether it lasts 1 more week, 2 more weeks, you're still going to see that effect over 2 to 3 months. I think it's just being able to look ahead at the horizon, seeing that you're going to clear this. We'll see on Wednesday. I think the odds are this will go through, but it's hard. It's always hard to predict.